Yeah, hello there. Say good day to you. In this video, I just want to draw your attention on, or I just want to show it clearly through a step process on how you will do your selection in the Empower transition page. Lest I forget first, if you all remember, the Empower is a program that is to be terminated after 2 years, of which the federal government later on, because of what we keep saying, so they decided to bring the enhancement program. So now for the 216, they still raise another, or to say they initiated another one called the transition. So most of the people that are thinking that Empower are going back to the straight 216, I tell you, keep that within your chest, because God willing, we are there. We are there, because I've even shared a video that prove that we are going to stay, God willing. So without wasting much time, on the transition page, uh, Empower in the transition page, initially they used to keep it in your own profile. Once you log into your own profile, you will see it aside. But surprisingly surprisingly, what we are even seeing is that ha what we are seeing now is they decided to take it hidden, of which even though you log in now, you are not going to see the page. So the question most Empower are asking today is that, does that mean that the transition page is already out, and they are now, all the empowerees, those that did not select their own, they did not do their own selection, they are waiting for the Empower transition page to come back in order for them to what? To do their own selection. Please, if you are still waiting, telling you that the Empower, or to say the FG, have now bring a tricks and make the transition page to go hidden, of which no matter how you wait to see the transition page coming back, it will only take the grace of God. If not, sincerely, now is hidden. So how are you going to bring it out? Because it's there in your own profile, but they make it hidden until if you go into a step process in order for you to bring the transition page out. So here in this write-up, this is the exact thing that you are going to do in step-by-step process in order for you to bring the transition page out. I've did my own today. Today I've did my own today, so to say, and you can equally follow the step process. But and I want you to please keep on sharing this video for those that maybe are not aware of this, for them to also select their own page, for them to also do their own selection. And as I've did my own, please let me bring your notice into this, that after you do it, the transition page, you do your selection, you have to select only two, and after you do the selection of two, you submit, the page will now go, it will completely disappear. So in this video, I don't know if I will do it now, maybe if the page will still come out, because I've already submitted my own, unknowingly that the page will not come out again. So maybe if it has come out on the step process that I'm going to do, fine. But if it did not come out, just follow the step guide that I'm going to give. You are going to do it clearly. So first of all, before I go into the step process, let's read this transition part. Now it says the Empower Transition Survey, which was read on the NPVN portal today, has been hidden from the portal again. All we know is that what goes down shall surely come up again. However, for those who can't await any longer for the transition part to become visible again, we have a trick that you can use to make your selection. Trick for selection transition part from the hidden schedules. Now, this go to, that is the step process of that you are going to apply. They say HTTP, all these things. Just go to npvn empower.gov.ng and log in. And after you log in, what next? What you are logging to your Empower dashboard, click on your browser and edit the link from the mpvn.empower.gov.ng/dashboard to npvn.empower.gov.ng, then stroke empower, then dash transition. Now, once you do this, it will automatically take you to the Empower page. Now, let's go and observe. You see this mpvn.empower.gov.ng. That it stopped at just ng, but in this one, it stopped at gov.ng. Now, when you log into your own dashboard, you are going to see after .gov in the first one, that what was written, go to, you go gov.ng, then you now see dashboard there. Then the writer says that you are to edit it, and after you edit it, that empower.gov.ng in the second link, that you have to change or to say edit it and just write empower dash transition. It will take you to the transition survey page where the parts are. Then you have to start your own process. For those that do not understand this thing that I'm saying, let me do the step process for everyone to get it clear. Now let me go to my own browser. Now here is my Chrome. I used to log in through the Chrome, but lest I forget, thank or kudos to the one that understand this and have shared it with us. So I'm also doing the same for everyone to get it. Now here is my own Chrome. Now mpvn, now it has already come out. So dashboard, I will just click on the dashboard. Now because I did not log out, you see here, you see log out in this sign out. Now because I did not log out, it takes me directly to my own page where I'm not to put my own username and even the password. I just go straight directly. Now if you observe this place, nothing was shown. So for that reason, what you will do, you see it mpvn.empower. Go to the browser. I want to edit it now. npvn.empower.gov.ng. Then it says /o/dashboard. So what you will do is to click on it and edit it. I'm cancelling the dashboard, and then I'll write empower, then I will now put dash, then I will now write transition. Did you see it just come out? It just come out. But let me complete the transition. Then I'll just click on it, and after I click on it, now you see it comes out. It say Empower Transition Survey batch 216. Now the federal government of Nigeria, blah 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 blah. So you just go down, you see the transition page is out. I'm glad, because initially it has not come out after I've done it. So you see it have tells me that I've already selected to become a teacher, teach as a school teacher in your community. Then the next one I selected is what? To start a farm / expand your farm, begin farming and start feeding the nation. Why? If you go this thing, you have to select only 2, and you see them written 6, 2 and 3 up, 3 down. So what you will just do is to just click. If you select community policing, you cannot select teacher, and if you select teacher, you cannot select community policing. So they make a strategy that you either choose police or you choose what to become a teacher. Then down you have to also go through the write-up. So here and here, then you have to check the description box in my own YouTube channel. So once you check the description box, I'm going to put a write-up there on what if, in case if you don't even know what the transition is talking about and the rest of them. Sorry to even make use of that statement, because no, you knew everything about it. So please, that is just how to trick the that is how to trick the this in order for you to what, do your own selection. Me, I've already did mine and I've already submitted, and they say once you do it and you submit, you cannot change it again. So in short, I pray that that your selection should give you the automatic work, and as well myself, and I also do hope that this should be for the benefit of us all, and I do pray that may this our nation be better. And for those that do not got maybe work, we are not praying to go back to the street, but we are praying that others that have not benefited or have not been engaged in something like this to also benefit. So this is all about it. And I say thank you for watching, and please, as I earlier said, don't forget to share to your loved ones. Don't forget to also please subscribe to my own channel. Below it you just see where subscription is written or subscribe is written. Just click on it. It's written in red. Just click it. The reason for doing that is so that every time I upload any video concerning different things, you are going to be the first to watch it. I've been posting things that concern Empower, that concern also network marketing, for the sake of maybe the Empower or as well other things. Please just click the subscription button. So that is all for now, and don't forget to like, and if you are still not clear, comment in the comment section. I will indeed be glad to reply. Thank you. Bye bye.